Okay, I'm taking
there she is.
crazy protective
Okay, come on, guys.
coating off. Take the white and just peel off the. Did you totally pull it off? Okay.
The clear part I did. And then I pulled it off when we were done because the handle's on the inside.
Well, one thing I really do like is they double bag their screws. Look at this. Now it's really cool, just in case one breaks. So I do like that. There. Well, you do that. Pull up.
That's fine.
Yeah. So the white.
Put more on the top.
Finally, feels like we're gonna make progress. It's all slimy.
It is slimy.
Did you slime it?
Of course I did. That's why it's slimy. Alright.
I didn't do it all the way through. So we'll strip it. Slime this side.
Not yet. Part P3. There's the P3 pieces. Did you notice that? We have spares now.
Maybe they threw extras in one of them.
This isn't right. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna put the handle in.
Like that. Got it.
Yeah.
So why are there three?
I have no idea why there's three. There was three in the other one. Just they'll only line up to two.
It's weird.
So it says that the left post gets mounted in the center of the vent. So we're assuming like this is the left? Okay, so
When mounting part 48,
yeah.
that's this. When mounting part 48 onto part 42, the left post should be directly in line with the center of the vent.
Okay.
So this is the left post,
Okay.
and that needs to be directly in line with the center of the vent.
And I think that's what I did here. So I measured it, and then I did that. Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna have
So-
to move them when we mount it because it goes onto the frame.
All right.
So we'll figure that out once we get them outside. So let's.
And
move
then
the
in
next
the video, I saw that they pre-mounted these, this hardware. So let's go ahead and at least get these mounted so they don't go anywhere.
Oh, okay.
So it sort of goes like that. And then we can just put so we'll just put the screws in so everything is together. We still have a couple little rubber gaskets and screws that we're gonna need to use later when we actually put it
This
on
way?
the greenhouse.
With that on the inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this sort of like,
Yep.
yeah. Yeah, we need the little screwdriver.
We do.
I'm gonna go get it.
God.
Hey, I'm doing that. That's my side.
You got to do the entire greenhouse yesterday.
I know, but I was
hung
using
out
the screw.
with my thumb up my butt the whole time.
Thumb up the butt. Okay. As you probably saw yesterday, what I was doing with the screwdriver was I was getting it underneath like that. So we could actually get the screw. See, I'm able to lift it up to get the screw on a little easier. It's like a little third skinny ET finger. Get it in there.
That's such a weird thing to compare it to.
You know, I guess you could take the bolts and a different way of doing this. Maybe. Might be harder. I don't know. Take the bolts, nut in the bolt, put them on a little ways, and then slide it in. I think both ways has their advantages and disadvantages. But there.